some familiar pictures. I'm going to show you a very similar weather pattern across the UK right now that we had for much of last week. This large area of high pressure really dominating things, and it's going to keep things pretty fine for the next few days. If we jump ahead as far as Wednesday, we've still got that area of high pressure with us. Not too much then in the way of rain between now and then. However, things are finally going to change around the middle part of the week. This weather front pushing its way southwards will bring some rain during Wednesday and more particularly through Thursday. It finally gets rid of that area of high pressure. It then pushes further south, and behind that we're going to see some strong winds, lots of isobars on the chart, and those winds starting to come down from the north. So it looks as though things will turn more unsettled and much colder by the end of this week ahead. There'll be some rain and there'll be some strong winds. Until then, though, it's a case of more of the same, with a lot of dry weather around, and things are pretty mild out there at the moment. Mild, but also fairly cloudy. This typical scene in Manchester right now. A lot of cloud around. It's further east you need to be to see the sunshine. In fact, not a bad day in Aberdeen. Blue skies here, just a little bit of puffy cloud. And if we look at the picture across the whole of the UK, you can see the breaks in the cloud are right the way down the eastern side of Scotland and down many eastern counties of England. And here, I think we'll hang on to the sunshine for the rest of the day. Elsewhere, well, the cloud may break up a little bit. We may see some glimpses of sunshine here and there, but further west and further north we'll hang on to the thicker cloud. A little bit of drizzly rain across western parts of Scotland, and some rain now coming in across parts of Shetland. Pretty windy here too for the afternoon. Elsewhere, just a bit of a brisk breeze blowing, so it doesn't feel too bad out there at all. Temperatures, as I say, above average for the time of year, 8 to 10 degrees, maybe in one or two spots 11 or 12 Celsius. But we will see a bit of a change tonight. The wet weather across Shetland pushing its way southwards into the mainland of Scotland, so turning wet across Orkney, through Caithness and Sutherland and Aberdeenshire, and that rain slowly pushing a bit further south as the night goes on. But I think from Fife southwards it will stay dry. Certainly most of England, Wales and Northern Ireland having a dry night. Where skies stay clear, we could just see a little bit of fog forming, and temperatures may fall away close to freezing. We could have a touch of ground frost in eastern areas, but by and large temperatures holding for most of us a little bit above freezing. So not an especially cold Monday morning. The fog, I think, will clear away, and then many places again fairly cloudy tomorrow, but favoured spots again, I'm thinking eastern parts of England may well see some decent spells of sunshine. Not too much sunshine across northern Scotland, though, staying cloudy here with outbreaks of rain. The winds may be easing a little bit as the day goes on, and again it will be quite mild. Look at those temperatures, 10 or 11 degrees. For Tuesday, well, our high pressure is still with us on Tuesday. That weather front just pushing a little bit into parts of eastern England, may bring a little bit of cloud and some light rain here. Again, a bit damp across northeastern parts of Scotland, but elsewhere again on Tuesday, cloudy but dry. It's not until Wednesday when we'll start to see a change. Again, most places cloudy and dry, possibly some drizzly rain across parts of Kent. It's in the far northwest when we'll start to see that change. There's that weather front I talked about earlier, pushing south, taking rain across large parts of the country on Thursday. And then we'll start to see showers coming into the northwest, and also that colder air coming in. And it's really, I think, Friday when we'll start to feel that northerly wind bringing wintry showers in across Scotland. So the wind's a big feature of the weather this week, not especially strong coming in from the west or the northwest for much of the week, but watch out. It's on Friday and for next weekend when we're expecting to see a big push of northerly winds coming down. So it will turn much colder by the end of this week, but for the next few days, dry and relatively mild. That's all from me. Back to Adam.